Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today, and we got to take a look at a plug kitchen sink. So today I'm going to be using the Milwaukee fuel. It's like a drill snake. So when we get up there, we'll see if we can get it cleared. Did anybody put like Drano or any acid down here?
Yes, yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. Was that you or the management?
The management. We didn't do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, first he tried the plunging, and it didn't work, and then he tried this chemical stuff he said, that was like heavy duty. So we've stayed away from that since then.
Yeah, they spend all the money on this Drano stuff, and then it's like, and then they still call us in. It's like, call us in without using it, because like, if I'm not wearing my gloves, I'm gonna burn myself.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's not good for you. It's not good for, I don't know. And then it eats the pipes as well.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it'll corrode this cheap brass very easily.
Oh, everything.
Yep, you're not wrong there. Do you have any sort of bucket?
Yes, I do. Just give me 1 second and I will get to it. Give me a second. It's in the recycling, so please don't judge me.
I'm not here to judge. I'm here to do my job. That's it.
No, no.
It's funny because like everyone, I hear that all the time, and then it's like, you don't know what my house looks like.
That's true. And you know what? We like to recycle. It's just recycling in the building is so hard.
Yeah.
Because you have to end.
No, 100%.
I also have 3 teenagers, and so that helps, you know, with everything. No. My mom gave me a bunch of stuff, and it's really funny because I honestly, some of it I don't know what it is. Does it need to be clean?
No.
Okay.
I want to show you something.
Okay.
So, this broke right off
Okay.
because that's what happens when they use acid.
Yeah.
Obviously, you see that.
Yeah.
That's what the bucket's for.
Okay. So it's unplugged?
The drain's clear.
Okay.
The drain wasn't plugged. The P-trap was plugged.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Ugh. Oh,
It's everything that came out of your drain.
oh, goody. This is, yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the
So-
teenagers and I will be having a sit down this evening.
Yeah. You really got to be careful because, like, a lot of things, like, this, honestly, it looks like some sort of puppy food or something, right?
Yeah.
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
It doesn't, it's heavy.
Yeah.
So basically what's happening, it'll sit in here,
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
I'm not going to mention anything to the management,
I really appreciate that.
but like honestly, if the management would have did their job, he
Yeah.
would have undid that and found it. So it's actually good for you that he didn't,
Yeah.
but it's like, it's also, he didn't do his job, so now the company has to pay him money to get me out here.
Okay.
They're stupid.
No, you know what? This is the most. Yeah. No, I agree with you 120%, my friend.
So, I gotta go tell them that the drain's broken, that they gotta replace it.
Okay.
I don't know when they're gonna come up. My
Yeah.
suggestion to you,
Clean it up.
clean this.
Okay, and the acid that he put there,
I would wear gloves if you have
I
them.
do. I work in a
Put
hospital.
Yeah, so put gloves on. Just
Should I wear goggles? Do you think?
I didn't, right? And it's
Okay.
like it's not so much the fumes anymore. If you think it's gonna start splashing in the face,
Yeah.
maybe, right?
Goggles? Okay.
It's
I have
but-
a face shield. We're good. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna wear the face shield.
so yeah. Just give this a good clean up, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah.
I'm
So-
really sorry.
no, don't. Hey, if I don't, just stuff like this don't happen. I don't get paid, right?
Okay.
I love
just-
getting paid. Believe me.
No, you and me both, my friend. No, both my husband work and I work in the hospital, so we're not home all the time. So when we leave the kids, they're responsible for the puppy, right? 'Cause-
No, most definitely. Most definitely.
And I guess this is where the food has been going instead of going in here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have some worries.
So the bucket, after all this is cleaned out,
Yes.
take the bucket, just pour it down the toilet.
Okay.
It's just water, right?
Okay.
Unless a little bit of food got in, but just pour it down slowly. Make sure the food and stuff like that doesn't. Toss that in the
Yeah.
garbage. And then I would just put your bucket under there just... Because you can then use your sink, right, until they do fix it.
Okay.
But yeah, hopefully they come today.
You know what? They've been better since they fired the people that used to work here.
So Brian doesn't work here anymore?
No.
Oh,
They
okay.
fired everybody. They walked them off the site, apparently.
Really?
Yeah, we just found out that yesterday.
Because I knew they did that in the East, Scarborough, Whitby, Ajax, all that.
Yeah.
They did that out there, and they're now using a company called On It Maintenance.
Huh?
And so I don't know, like I was actually at a job yesterday, and she was saying basically the same thing. I was in this building yesterday,
Yeah.
and they're like, yeah, somebody came and he wasn't able to do it, and then this was like Saturday. I'm like, Saturday? Why'd they call it in today? It's like fucking Tuesday. My bad, sorry.
No, not today,
So,
please.
Did this happen yesterday? Like that?
No, we called yesterday.
Oh, you called them yesterday? Okay.
Yeah, we tried to, we thought maybe if we, like, I tried to, let it, see if everything would clear on its own. Like, I left it overnight, so it happened the day before. And then when it hadn't drained as much as we want it to, then we called her in.
What I'm going to make one suggestion to you.
Yes.
You can buy little strainers.
Okay.
You can get them from the dollar store, Canadian Tire, Home Depot, everywhere like that.
Leave that hat alone.
They basically look like a screen.
Okay.
Right? They fit in here perfect. There's usually two sizes, big and small.
Okay.
Big ones fit here. Small ones will fit in like your bathroom sink, your bathtub, stuff like that. They're just to catch things, right?
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I would definitely use it, especially... I'm seeing this, right? And I got kids. Believe me, I know how much cereal goes down the drain. It's like, take less cereal, right?
Oh, no. So my eldest is 21. My other one is 19. He's upstairs. And then I have a 16-year-old.
Okay.
So it's...
A little...
I'm outnumbered a little bit. And so the screens are going to help me.
Yeah. And they do. They fit in there perfect. And it's... If they fill up... Right in the garbage, rinse it out, good to go.
Perfect.
Yeah, I got a 13-year-old and a 7-year-old, and it's like, yeah, the 13-year-old boy, he's at that point where he likes to test things, and it's like,
oh yeah,
You're about
to test it. No, I was talking to a bunch of people yesterday, and I work in the hospital.
All right, guys. So you seen we tried taking that P-trap off, but the tenant told me that the maintenance contractors came in and put acid down the drain. So when we went to take it apart, it actually broke all off. So they're gonna have to come in and replace all that. But we pulled a lot of garbage out of that P-trap. A lot of people don't understand that everything that goes down the P-trap could get stuck in the P-trap. So luckily for us, it's good for us, bad for the company, but they didn't look at the P-trap and it was an easy job for us. We snaked it out anyway, but it still needs to be replaced. But the P-trap was just full. I believe that was the issue all along. So until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.